All right, today we have a 15-minute full body workout. 15 minutes out your day. You could do this 5-6 days a week. Help you stay consistent without overtraining yourself. If you want to hear me talk about warming up a little bit more, I have a video in the description for that. Here I'm just doing a warm-up set, so you can jump straight into your exercises. Just make sure you do 1 to 2 warm-up sets before. So I'm gonna show y'all the first 3 reps of every exercise, and I'm gonna speed it up. Notice I have a small bar for this rack. I have a 45-pound bar in the back, but I don't have enough weight plates for that bar. So I have to use this one, and I have limited room for weights. All right, you wanna make sure you're comfortable in your positioning. Slow on the way down and explode up. So you wanna make sure that on the way up is faster than on the way down. So control the weights. 7, 8. So that's 8 reps. And I'm gonna load up my next plates and take a rest. So pretty much of 1 to 2 to 3 minutes. But what I found is it's when your heart rate slows back down. So as soon as your heart rate slows back down, I feel energized and ready to go 100% into my next lift. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Deep stretch. I hold it for a second, pause. 8. Now, a great thing to do after your second set here is go straight into body squats. So as soon as you rack that, do 10 to 20 squats or lunges. But I had a long day of work, and so I was a little tired, so I did those 2 sets. I'm gonna do some more tomorrow. And here I'm doing a warm-up set for incline bench. All right, so first working set for incline bench. See, my hands are a little wider. Control the weight. Full range of motion. I'm touching my chest. Again, we want to make sure we go into the next set 100%. So I'm gonna take a little rest here, get some water, stretch a little bit. You can check your phone, play some music. So I love going full range of motion. The stretch position is the most important part of the movement for any exercise. You get a good stretch in your muscles, and you're less likely to get injured. But if you are not a big fan of locking out, or you want more time under tension and you're doing partial reps, make sure you do the partial reps in the stretched position. So that would be in the bottom position for the bench press. All right, so that's my second set. And here I'm just gonna go right from my second set, no rest, into suspension push-ups or suspension chest press. So even though this is a quick workout, it's gonna take me all the way to failure. You can see I'm shaking already. So that's 2. When it gets tough, just take a step up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to take a step up. 9, 10. Taking another step up. 11, 12. It's getting tough. 13, 14. Big stretch. 15. Still going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Deep stretch. All the way out, 25. And we're done. 15-minute workout, full body. Now you could get the same workout done with a pair of dumbbells, but if you need equipment, check out dreamchasersfitness.com for my online retail store. You can get pretty much everything you need there: ab rollers, adjustable bench, suspension trainer, Versa grips, adjustable dumbbells. Check it out. If you like this video, hit like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.